Hello doers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we will see how to pass purchase product line description into Shipment using this our Dev purchase picking description via purchase app. You can see here our module Dev purchase picking description. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to purchase, create new, select vendor, add product like a large cabinet and add description like a description of large cabinet and save. Confirm this order. Now create this receipt. Go to and see here this description. It means pass purchase order to Shipment. And also print an PDF report. Print delay receipt. So you can easily see here display description of large cabinet. Now go to the same purchase order and print and also display in quotation. Thank you.